दैट मैंने कैसे किया, ऑल्टर किया। ये तुम्हारे मास्टर हो गया लेजर का, ये मैंने कस्टमाइजेशन कर दिया है, ये जीएलएन मैंने ऐड कर दिया है, राइट। और ये तुम्हारा ऑल्टर अगर मैं करता हूँ स्टॉक आइटम पे भी तुम्हारा ही होगा। ये तुम लोगों को बेटा पक्का पता होना चाहिए क्योंकि वो सबसे पहले यही पूछेंगे, GTIN, ठीक है ना। और तुम्हारा ये स्टॉक लेजर का जो है GTIN वो ऑटोमेटिकली वाउचर पे आएगा। और फिर मैंने वाउचर पे कस्टमाइजेशन जो किया है कि मैंने पिक स्लिप नंबर भी डाल दिए, और उसके बाद मैंने इसको एक्सट्रैक्ट करके लेके आ गया हूँ जेसन पे, और फिर मैंने SP_master पे एग्जीक्यूट करके जो है तुम्हारा ये 3 चीज़ें जो है मैं लेके आ रहा हूँ। अच्छा, अब इसका रीजंस क्या क्या है मैं तुम्हें बता देता हूँ। आइटम डिटेल्स हैव बीन ब्रॉट इन बिकॉज ये आइटम पे हमने कस्टमाइजेशन किया हुआ है, ठीक है ना। फिर वाउचर इन्वेंट्री हम लोग इसलिए लेके आए, द रीजन वी हैव गॉट वाउचर इन्वेंट्री इज बिकॉज मेनी अ टाइम्स द क्लाइंट might not do a batch wise entry, and then stock item batch inventory analysis has been got because batch wise entry, batch wise reporting is required. Okay, so I got this because many a times what can happen is that you might not have a batch wise entry. The report required sales order, sales invoice and delivery notes / receipt notes linkage. So kuch bhi ho, either way you will always have the details in voucher inventory. Is that point clear? देवज्योति, इज इट क्लियर?
यस सर।
ठीक है ना। बैच वाइज रिपोर्टिंग हैज बीन रिक्वायर्ड हियर। So at the end of the project they gave us a really complex report on the commercial. That was the problem with this. So this is the report which is to be created. Okay, so now step by step it is that I'm explaining to you is that this is actually taking a bulk column open row set. It picks up this JSON file, puts it up a single clause and then enters it here. So this takes care of the stock item details. Now if I need to add the stock item details, SP_add stock item detail, here we have extensively used merge this with stage. This is the composite key, right? So team, take in this composite key. When not matched by the target, all these fields are coming in. When matched, then you update this. Is it clear? Now try and make sure that we don't get to see their data because the package is ready made. So we don't actually need to even see the data, that the client can handle. Correct? Right. So once the data goes on to the staging layer, then it goes from there, the staging, to the ODS layer, because they will ask you. So this is where their entire history is going to be kept. So here tum agar dekhoge, so then here it is going to be select star from ODS underscore stock item details. So here you will get all these things and you will also get the GTIN name. यहां तक तुम्हें समझ में आ गया?
यस सर।
ठीक है, राइट। Similarly, if I look at ODS underscore, the second one is this one. So what you need to do is to go to each one of them. SP underscore voucher inventory details. So this for Devjyoti is a piece of cake, but for Abdul it's new, right? So then it is voucher inventory details.
सर मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा कुछ भी
नहीं आ रहा है?
नहीं सर, ये मतलब टेबल ये जो अंडरस्कोर वीआईपी जीआईपी क्या है ये सर?
कौन सा सवाल पूछ लो, क्वेश्चन क्या है
सर? ये जो भी टेबल के नेम है ये आप मतलब कर रहे हैं, ये सब तो मतलब मेरे लिए तो नए, ये तो सब मेरे
पहले दिन थोड़ी समझ में आएगा।
यस सर,
पहले दिन नहीं आएगा समझ में, पहले दिन बेटा नहीं आएगा समझ में। आई नो इट। तुम समझ में आ रहा है तुम्हें?
यस सर।
ठीक है ना। अगर वो बहुत ज्यादा लोड का करते, तुम अभी बस देखते जाओ और समझते जाओ कि भाई ये कैसे बनाए। बट इट बिकॉज इस प्रोडक्ट में ही ट्रेन करने में करीब 1 महीना लग सकता है। इट कैन टेक 1 मंथ। सो आई एम नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग यू टू बी अ मास्टर, बट यू आर सपोज टू नो व्हाट इट इज, so that if you see it and if you put it up into your resume, then you're clear on what was done. Is it clear? Okay, so now this is truncate, this is JSON Vermax, this picks it up from here, this is the JSON file, and we have picked up all the fields from here. And then again SP underscore add voucher inventory details is यहाँ पे ये पूरा का पूरा प्रोसीजर जो है, what it does is that for each company it picks up the using a row number the minimum and the maximum entries. Then we pick up the minimum and the maximum date based on that particular company name. Am I correct? Devjyoti, ऐसे तो नहीं होगा? Where company name is equal to at company name. ऐसे होगा ना?
Yes, sir.
Where then for each company name is equal to at company name. ठीक है? And then it deletes from the ODS voucher inventory details anything which is between this date and this date. And then after that it inserts into it. Is it clear? ठीक है? उसी तरीके से बैच का भी बना। Same way. Right, so basically what you need to do is that, what you guys need to do is understand, because your interview questions are going to be as following. Have you handled CSV data or JSON data? So you say that, look, we have handled JSON data, right? And we have used open row set for inserting data into the staging table from the JSON file. Is it clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what you need to do it. So this you mention in your interview. Both of you are clear?
Yes, sir.
In case they ask you CSV data insert, then you say I can use bulk insert. वैसे many of the cases they are asking have you handled JSON data, API data. So they will say API data have you handled. So you simply say in the interview, we can handle API data by using ओपन रिसोर्स सेट फॉर इंसर्टिंग डेटा इनटू दिस। तो ये जो है तुम इसमें से ऐड कर लेना, एक बार प्रैक्टिस कर लेना। करेक्ट। योर सेकेंड इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन इज गोइंग टू बी कि मर्ज स्टेटमेंट हैव यू हैंडल्ड? व्हाट इज द मर्ज स्टेटमेंट यूजर? सो ओडीएस अंडरस्कोर स्टॉक आइटम डिटेल्स का जो कोड है, बहुत ध्यान से देखो, वो तुम एक बार देख लेना कि मर्ज स्टेटमेंट इज यूज फॉर इंसर्ट, अपडेट एंड डिलीट। इज इट क्लियर? क्योंकि ये
Yes,
so
sir.
you can add this project onto your resume. I will put it up. ठीक है ना? And you can say कि I have used merge statement here. Clear है बेटा? Then अगर वो पूछता है insert, update and delete, तो तुम insert का केस जो है वो कह सकते हो जो तुम्हारा in the SP underscore ODS voucher details, ये जो था ना SP underscore ODS underscore, सॉरी मैं कहाँ चला गया, मैं अपॉलॉजीज। इसका जो है ये तुम्हारा इंसर्ट का सैंपल हो गया। ये देख करके प्रैक्टिस कर लेना। Then the fourth interview question would be, have you handled variables? बेटा ये variables पूछते हैं, variables, CTEs, इसमें सब examples भरे हुए हैं। Correct? Local variable, what is it used for and how exactly do you go for? Is it clear? Yes or no? Then they will ask, what is the difference between the DDL and DML state? हाँ बोलो। मैं तो अब रिज्यूमे यहां से बनेगा ना, वील एसोसिएटेड विद द प्रोजेक्ट, पुट अ क्लाइंट नेम। क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है? सी दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज डन, ओके, सो वी डोंट इवन नीड टू, इफ द क्लाइंट इंस्टॉल्स SQL Server, we can give them the script, they can run the script and they should be up and away. We don't even need to access their server. But the client has a problem. मतलब उनके यहाँ, I'm not able to understand, they can't install SQL Server 2019, so that sounds a bit strange. Are you understanding it?
Yes, sir.
Are you both understanding it? By
Yes, sir.
SQL Server 2019 a fresher can do. And here IT support is saying, I'm not going to install SQL Server 2019, so they have a problem at their end. Right? So I'm not getting into those guys' place. So what I want is that with this one project, because I have taken this, because the database projects for Tally are few and far between. Most people don't use a database. They ask you to do it either directly within Tally or through Power BI. So is one project, say at least 2 to 3 people's resume should be appended. And they should be ready for marketing. Is it clear? और इसको अगले वेडनेसडे तक खत्म करो. Finish it off by next Wednesday. Tuesday, Wednesday, finish it. अच्छे तरीके से समझ लो. If there are problems, we sort it out and we put it as part of the profile. Abdul, is it clear, beta? Yes or no? Everyone clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
पूरा समझ में आ गया? But these rates are dirty. So in normal course, I will not even touch it. But I'm saying, okay, if I can add to the profiles, abhi, and then the resources are ready for marketing. And Nick is a good marketer. He'll sell it. He will sell your profile. He'll get you the interview. Is it clear? ठीक है. So ये आ जाएगा तुम्हारा ये. तो आप इसमें से जो है clearly mark out. So clearly mark out where all, what all you need to say and how you need to add this product into your resume. This is all sample data. So there is no company data here. तो just play around with it as much as you want to. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना? तो ये हो गया.
Mm.
So he will ask, बेटा ये बहुत, so just go for it. He'll say DDL and DML में क्या है? So sir, I had to delete the data between display from and display to date based on certain parameters. Then I use the DML statement of delete. And truncate is your DDL statement, जो कि इधर यूज हुआ है साला. मैं डिलीट ही कर दिया साला. This is gone. Here I can't use a where clause. Is this clear? हाँ के ना? There should be no questions on this.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
ठीक है बच्चों? एक सेकेंड. तो यहां तक तुम पहुंच गए. Now in the second phase what I will do is, after some time I will tell you about how these custom reports were made. So we will concentrate heavily on functions, क्योंकि वो साला function पक्का पूछ. They ask you functions and they will ask you, तो everything here is a function, scalar function, because I don't want it कि people are getting confused between scalar and tabular functions. So if they say you, have you used because they will ask you what is the difference between stored procedure and a function, that you need to be able to answer. तो वो resume में add कर देना. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And so Devjyoti, you lead, Abdul, you'll be there as a support. You just see how
Yes,
it goes. Correct?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. मेरे को कुछ देर दो, मैं कुछ देर में आता हूँ बेटा. ओके.